In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reopen financial year in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to change so your reporting lines up with the correct year end. This is especially helpful if your financial year was set up incorrectly, your company changed jurisdictions, or you simply need to realign your fiscal calendar. Make sure you have the right permission in Xero to manage organization settings, and consider checking with your accountant before applying changes that affect reporting. Start by heading to xero.com and signing in. If you have access to more than one organization, make sure you're in the correct one for this change. At the top of the screen, open the organization name dropdown. This menu is your gateway to the key controls you'll need. From there, click Settings to open your organization level configuration. In Settings, scroll until you see Financial Settings and select it. This section controls the backbone of your reporting framework, including the financial year end that determines how Xero groups your transactions for profit and loss, balance sheet, and other period-based reports. In the financial year end area, click Change. You'll see options to choose the day and month that mark the end of your financial year. Select the correct day and month that match your statutory or management reporting requirements. Keep in mind, you're not altering individual transactions here. You're updating the structure that tells Xero where one financial year stops and the next begins. Picking the right date ensures carry forwards, comparative periods, and tax year reporting line up properly. Once you've selected the appropriate day and month, click Done to confirm your choice. You'll be taken back to the financial settings page with your new year-end values filled in. To make the change live, click Save. This step is important. Until you save, nothing is applied. After saving, Xero updates how it frames your reporting periods, which may take a moment to reflect across dashboards and standard reports. A few practical tips as you wrap up. After saving, run a quick profit and loss and balance sheet as of your new year-end date to make sure the period boundaries look right. If you collaborate with a bookkeeper or accountant, let them know about the change so budgeting, tax work papers, and closing schedules stay in sync. If your organization uses internal controls around period changes, follow those review steps before and after saving. That's it. You've reopened and aligned your financial year in Xero by adjusting the financial year end setting, ensuring your reports and comparisons match the correct period going forward.